Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any vehicle having a Ford F-150 generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse, guys, for the traction control switch is located. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located. It could be under a different name. Also, we will explain why it's important to test fuses so you don't waste your money and time, and where you can buy cheap fuses from. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel, you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times, you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys. We take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. Specifically, we will demonstrate here on 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, but that generation, the video may be helpful. You guys specifically have two fuse boxes. One is under the hood on your F-150, right above the radiator, right here. The other one, guys, is inside the truck, under the glove box, kind of like on the right side by the kick panel. When you remove that plastic, you will see your fuse box. It will look just like this one. We took a picture and zoomed in a little bit so we can show you with a clear detail where everything's located. Now, let us explain, guys, why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we need to check, we need to come in that first row on the left side, guys. And even if you have a missing fuse, you still count that spot. You start from the very top and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That 12th fuse, guys, that 15M fuse right here, is for the traction control switch as well. If you need to buy cheap fuses and relays, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.